Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot in the Motorola phones. So, the first one, just click the power button and volume down. Now you can edit the screen directly from your display. You can see that we have a few options to edit, but there we have also a second method. Just go to the settings, type screenshot. Oh, sorry, not this one, screenshot, and tap on the 3-finger screenshot. How you can see, now we have the other way for that, so switch it on and just try it out. And that's it. Now we can take a screenshot by holding the 3-finger in the place on the display. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.